Hello and welcome everybody. Here we are with principle 35. A very interesting principle about people we love. Now, Dr. Wayne Dyer here with principle 35 is saying when you love somebody, just tell them that, even if you're fearful, go and tell them that. Because regardless of how they react to you telling them that you love them, kind of idea, when there's somebody close in your life that you love, that it makes your higher self, the subconscious mind, more loving and more inclined towards a loving presence. And as we know, there are basically two emotions in our mind that everything boils down to: fear and love. Okay, every emotion basically boils back to fear and love. And I have a video all about that one already. But the idea here is that, you want to strengthen love. So if there's somebody you actually love, then go out, tell them that. Now, don't go crazy with this one because love can be a powerful word, okay? So make sure it's somebody that you actually, love, that's really close to you, that's a family member, a close friend, a romantic partner that you can be, have some sense of certainty that you actually love. Because some people go around saying I love you on the first date every time and falling deep into a heap of mess of thinking that everybody they can, have must be their romantic partner for life or whatnot. There's some people who are diehard romantics that have this kind of dependent personality characteristic or even dependent personality disorder when it comes to psychology and just want to say I love you to anybody who they think could take care of them. So he's clearly not saying that because that would be pretty crazy. Don't go around just even if you feel love for every person around you just because they're humans and you're excited and you're on the path of transforming your life, don't just go around just saying, I love you, I love you, I love you. Maybe say it mentally. There's a good exercise from Stuart Wilde on how to look out at anybody who you think is having a tough day and mentally send love to them. Imagine light leaving your hands and entering their heart kind of idea. This mental exercise will really help you. It's not necessarily going to help them because they're a different person, so unless you believe in some kind of energy sending thing, then whatever there. The idea here is I want to make sure you're not just saying, oh, I love you to everybody here, because some people tend to take these things a little too far. But most of us know, when there's somebody we love and we're feeling like we don't want to say it or we're holding it back. Instead, he's saying just dive in and this will make us less fearful and more loving. Anyway, that's the end of it for part 35. I will see you guys next time with part 36, so I'll see you then.